There is a simple way to improve your gut health, make the best healthy sodas, and made Moscow Mule. And all you need is some ginger, sugar, and water. That's simple. Let's make some ginger beer. As a bartender who moved to Australia a couple of years ago, I experimented with local flavors and indigenous ingredients. Ever since I made the ginger beer with Australian Eucalyptus, I never made it without it. It's an easy way to shift from unhealthy sodas, which can cause inflammation and are full of preservatives, to a gut-healthy, anti-inflammatory, and probiotic replacement. So, let's keep it simple. Step 1. Take your ginger bag out and bring it back to life. Fill it with some sugar and fresh ginger at least a few hours before making your batch. We want it at its peak. It's also important to sanitize our gear. There is a simple way to do it, but more about that at the end of Step 2. Step 2. Let's make strawberry gum ginger beer. In a large pot, add grated ginger and sugar. Pour hot water. Bring to a boil. After all the sugar dissolves, give it a minute, then kill the heat. Let it cool to around 80 degrees Celsius or 175 Fahrenheit. Time to our secret ingredient. Eucalyptus olida, aka strawberry gum. A simple as hay way to add an interesting polish to your regular ginger beer. You don't need much. 1 gram per 1 liter should work. Mix it well and leave it to steep and cool even further down to 35 degrees Celsius or 95 degrees Fahrenheit. After it cools down to a temperature that your yeast can survive, we add lemon juice and our active ginger bag. Mix it all well. When this is all done, it's time to sanitize our clean bottles. Or, as I'm taking this all camping, I opted for one larger 5-liter can. To sanitize your bottles, you can use high-temperature dishwasher cycle, boiling water, or you can use this food-grade, no-rinse sanitizer. Next, filter the liquid into desired vessel. Never fill them fully. Step 3. The finish line, fermentation and carbonation. Now simply wait and let the little guys called the yeast do their thing. Burp them daily. This needs 3 to 5 days to ferment most of the sugar. When it's clearly carbonated and you're happy with the taste, place it in the fridge for at least 1 more day to let it carbonate properly. And that's that. That's simple. Have it over ice. As I said before, it makes a mad Moscow Mule. Simply add a double shot of vodka and squeeze of lime. It might lose its probiotic properties, but oh well, it tastes good. I hope you enjoyed this simple home bar content today. Shake the like button and subscribe for more.